Happy Friday Assembly to everyone. Thanks for joining me again today to share some positive events still happening at Coe-Brown Northwood Academy. It's so great to see and hear about the accomplishments of our students, faculty, and staff. Thanks again to students, faculty, and staff for continuing with so many important protocols during this very difficult time. We must try to stay focused to reach our daily goals. A very special thank you to Mr. Vachon for making these assemblies so very positive. Here are some very special announcements that I'd like to share with you today. Mrs. George has a special presentation from her Introduction to Science classes.
She blinded me with science. She blinded me with science.
Congratulations to the successful students from Mrs. George's classes. A special message from our school nurse, Mrs. Foster.
And really just a stark reminder, unfortunately, that this virus really doesn't care if you're in a long-term care facility or if you're an elected official. No one is immune. It's spreading in our communities. It doesn't just affect the elderly, it affects everyone, everywhere, and we have to stay vigilant, not only for ourselves, but especially for those that we may come in contact with, whether they be our family, our coworkers, whatever the situation might be. We all hold that responsibility and have to maintain it. As much as COVID fatigue is setting in with a lot of folks, now more than ever, especially given the time of year that we're in. We know that a vaccine is on the way, but we just really can't take our foot off the pedal. We got to stay vigilant. It really can have drastically negative effects, as unfortunately we all saw yesterday.
Thank you, Mrs. Foster, for sharing that information with us today. Mr. Chatfield has a special recognition from our Winter Arts Festival. Thank you, Mr. Chatfield. cross-country team has a special presentation and announcements to share with us this morning.
The girls cross country team would like to present their 2020 state championship banner to Headmaster Smith of the school, and thank you guys all for your support.
Boys also would like to thank Coe-Brown for the support, so we are presenting our Division II state championship banner to Coe-Brown and Headmaster Smith.
Making All-State for 2020 cross country in New Hampshire is Wyatt Mackey, Luke Kazik, Carter Sylvester, Lars Hogney, Logan Mihalik, Aiden Cox, Addison Cox, Mallory Taylor, Sheldon Fisher, and Tessa the General Millette. Also, for the first time in school history, we have a female runner of the year for the whole state of New Hampshire, Addison Cox. And for the second time since Jeremy Broussard back in 2014, we have a male runner of the year, Aiden Cox. Congratulations.
Congratulations once again to our cross-country teams. Mrs. Grenier has some more special announcements from the class of 2021.
Hello, everyone, and happy Friday. We have a few college acceptances today to announce. Skylar Arnold has been accepted to New England College and Plymouth State University. Carter Ford, UNH. Morgan McPhee, New Hampshire Technical Institute. Grace Morissette, Husson University and Castleton University. Hunter Murray, Dean College, and Darren Sweet, Merrimack College and St. Michael's College. So congratulations to seniors. Over the vacation, if you find out for some more, please let your counselor know and we'll do the announcement at the next assembly. Have a safe and restful holiday vacation and happy holidays.
Thank you for sharing about our class with us this morning, Mrs. Grenier. This is a great day to be so happy about all the things that we have and not worried about the things that we don't have. And on that note, have a nice Friday.